What do you need to play with model airplanes? Transmitter, receiver, battery, airplane, charger. The barrier to entry for model airplanes is never interest. It's how to match, choose, and assemble these 5 items. The market is flooded with products. Different interfaces, different parameters. Newcomers often lose their way before they even begin. What you need to know: transmitter, your steering wheel; receiver, the airplane's ears; battery, the airplane's heart; airplane body carrying the airplane's dreams; charger replenishing the heart with energy. Missing any one item means it won't fly. The key is that they must be compatible to work together. Dynam develops everything in-house, from the airplane, transmitter, and receiver to the motor and ESC. From hardware to RF protocols. From underlying algorithms to system tuning. Everything comes from the same technological system. No compatibility issues, no frequency pairing problems. Because they were born for each other. Perfect collaboration, stable signal, precise control. Even beginners can easily get started and focus on enjoying the fun of flying. We also provide complete video tutorials for each Schroff kit. Starting from scratch, we'll teach you step by step. Watch the videos and follow along. Your first flight will be a breeze. Playing with model airplanes doesn't require being an expert. You only need the right equipment and a desire to fly. Schroff One-Stop Model Airplane Kit. Making the sky feel closer than ever before.